Hello everyone! Today I would like to talk about steering wheels repair for your classic cars. During my years of working on classic cars, I have tried many kind of different ways to repair cracked steering wheels. I have used body fillers, epoxy, glues and all other kind of materials. And finally, recently, a couple years ago, I bought very nice product that now I can recommend for everyone, that this is the best solution to repair your cracked steering wheel. And this product is Milliput. Short disclaimer, nobody is paying me for promoting this product, I am talking only from my experience point of view. So inside you will find two epoxy sticks. You know, it's very convenient way. You take material how much you want, you mix both parts, wait for 3-4 minutes and you can work with them. And after 3-4 hours it became hard. As you can see here on my table, there is a early Volkswagen Beetle steering wheel that I already have repaired with this product. Okay, so let's go through the process very quickly. Here you can see on pictures how was damaged this steering wheel. And you can see it had a pretty much big crack one, and another place was with a smaller one. But usually when you have such cracks, you know, you need to prepare the hole to fill up with the material. So it's not only I applied the rust binder, I also Dremel it a little bit to have the structure where to fill with this terracotta epoxy material. After the holes were filled, I waited until the material became hard. I used a sandpaper to sand, to clean, to make it smooth, and later I already, as you can see here, I have applied with a primer, and soon it's gonna be ready for the painting. So I hope that you found interesting and useful this video, and in future maybe you will use my suggestion to use this very nice Milliput Terracotta sticks for your classic car steering wheel repair. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I hope you to see next time. Bye!